One round down, one prize for this guy. That's how we're doing it. You guys got stumped big time. We're about to enter round two. In round two, there is the secret slime action. If any of you perform the secret slime action, you're gonna hear this. At which point you will be covered in slime like none other. But here's the flip side, here's the plus. Someone in the audience by the name of Carly is gonna win a prize if that happens. Elle, what is today's secret slime action?
The secret slime action is having a name that rhymes with cat.
All right, let's recap.
Foul.
We got a word! Oh! Not only did we get a word, it was foul, which happened to be the word of honor. Remy, feels good, right?
Yeah.
Missed me by that much. Missed me by that much. All right, Chris, clock's gonna continue going on. Yes or no questions. Blank, foul, blank, and blank, blank, go.
Do you do this?
Oh! I believe that would be the secret slime action. Let's take another look at that again. I like how Matt likes to get everyone involved. Everyone's involved. Let's take a look at the replay on that.
You think you're safe?
Matt got slimed. On a related note, I seem to have found my booger collection.
What did I do?
The secret slime action was having a name that rhymes with cat.
Of course. That's something I do every day.
But Carly's winning a prize. Elle, what did Carly win?
Carly Lubick, you're taking home the official Figure It Out Triangle Messenger Bag. Keeps your stuff together and your hands free for hugging your friends.
It just became crystal clear to me why they call that the slime zone up there. Matt, we got some time left on the clock. Yes or no questions, and go.